Hello, my name is Linh Đan. In this video, I am talking you about the book Earth, Water, written by Katharina Schaper. Focus question: why is water important? Water everywhere. Water fills oceans, lakes, and ponds, and it flows in rivers, streams, and underground. It is even in the air. Frozen water is found down some parts of Earth as snow and ice. Water covers over 2/3 of Earth's surface. Salt water in the oceans makes up most of Earth's water. Earth has much less fresh water. Many plants and animals need fresh water to survive. Some of this fresh water is above ground, while other fresh water is groundwater underneath Earth's surface. What are some ways you use Earth's water? Different forms of water. Liquid water is the most common state of water on Earth. When you pour liquid water into a container, it takes the shape of the container. Liquid water is always moving, even if you can't see it move. Water moves in rivers and streams due to currents, the constant flow of moving water. Lakes and ponds are standing bodies of water. The liquid water in them moves slowly. Surface and underwater currents cause ocean to move in waves forming and crashing. Winds, the moon, and the sun affect the strength of ocean currents. Not all water is liquid. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes and forms ice. Ice is another state of water, solid water. Ice can float on liquid water. People form ice into different shapes. You've probably made ice cubes to cool down a drink. Artists even crave ice loppers. Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and South Poles, the coldest areas on Earth. The most common places to find glaciers are the poles. The huge masses of ice store much of Earth's fresh water. Some of Earth's water is in an invisible state as a gas called water vapor. While it's always invisible, water vapor is all around us. When it is hot outside, more water vapor fills the air than when it is cold outside. More water vapor fills the air than when it is cold outside. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. On hot and humid days, the air feels thick with lots of water vapor concentrated in the air. Some of Earth's water is an invisible state as a gas called water vapor. While it's always invisible, water vapor is all around us. When it is hot outside, more water vapor fills the air than when it is cold outside. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. On hot and humid days, the air feels thick with lots of water vapor concentrated in the air. Changing water. Earth water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water is cooled, it freezes and becomes ice. Liquid water can become gas too. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called evaporation. Evaporation happens every day as the sun beats down on Earth's bodies of water. When water vapor in the air cools down, it changes from a gas to liquid. The process called condensation. Clouds are made up of teeny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, creating larger, heavier drops. If the drops become large enough, they fall as rain, snow, or another type of precipitation. Some rain and melt snow soak into the ground, becoming groundwater. Precipitation and groundwaters fill rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. Water evaporates from bodies of water around the world. Later, it condenses. It falls in other places on Earth. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows them to grow. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting flies. It is important to take care of Earth's water. People are the main cause of water pollution. Although sometimes it occurs nationality. Although sometimes it occurs nationality, littering and dumping just lead to dirty and unnatural water. Pollute water make people's plants and animals sick. What you want to drink and pay in polluted water? Connection. Writing. Write a speech telling your classmates why it is important to take care of Earth's water. Use the information from the book to help you. Present the speech to your class. Science and art. Draw and label a picture showing water in its three different states: liquid, solid, and gas. Include some vocabulary words from the book in your picture. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.